All right, guys, let's get started. Good morning. It is a good morning. It is one of those good mornings once again. If you don't know me, I am your humble and gracious host. I go by the name of Dre Futures on several platforms. How's it going, everybody? Good morning, good morning. Happy Tuesday. Happy Tuesday, happy Tuesday, happy Tuesday. If anybody's out there, sound off for me. Be greatly appreciated. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started here. What do we have here? 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 So seems like this little level here got nipped. This little placeholder right there. And now we're just doing nothing but coming right back down. So ICT friends are probably eating off of this. This is pretty good. I'm pretty sure we have no news. Let me make sure my risk settings are in place. I don't think I did that yet. 450. Block these items here. Yeah. Lock risk settings for the day. Yes. And lock risk settings for the day. Liquidate and block. Yes. Cool. Okay, so now I can only do but so much damage. I like to do that on stream to let people know or see what's the real sauce of taking payouts, which is locking your account when you're on tilt. So there's that. So this is a little loud in my ear. I'm gonna turn this down just a smidge. Doesn't look like bulls want to step in just yet. Doesn't look like bulls want to step in just yet. I don't really have a model to really get me into nothing right now. So we'll wait. Nice little bounce right there. Let's see if price wants to continue up from here. This is kind of ugly, not gonna lie. Yeah, all of this is kind of ugly, but we are at like, let's see if we want to tap this move origin. That doesn't look too bad, does it, guys? That doesn't look too bad, doesn't look too bad. My account is locked, however, so can't really participate in that. If it gives us an entry, I mean, I'd be happy to take it, but it's not really doing anything right now for me. So let's look at gold. Gold is also looking like it wants to give us a little bit of love here. Let's see. Money Glitch, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Looks like we have some opportunities here today. We'll know in the next 2 minutes or so, but it looks like that little dip down on NQ was the right move. Let me see if these are equal highs. They are not. This is indeed your... So this is also an SBS on gold. There's also an SBS on NQ. I bet NQ shot up already. Not yet. Thinking about NQ here, guys. Thinking about NQ. I'm thinking about NQ. We'll see in a second. I got another minute in. I got another minute in here, guys. So looks like this little move down here was the correct one. Now we're kind of like in the middle of this range. I kind of want to play with it. So we will see. We shall see. We shall see. We shall see. But really thinking about there we go. Yeah, boy, it's gone. Woo! All right. Well, hey, I followed my rules, right? I followed my rules. I followed my rules. What else can you do? I follow my rules, not messing around with anything before 9:45. And here we are. Here we are. That would have been a beautiful buy if anybody would have saw it. I mean, I saw it, but I couldn't take it. My account was locked. Ah, boy. Beautiful buys there, guys. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Why is this so opaque? Anyway, beautiful buy. Oh my goodness, beautiful buys. I'm feeling a little bit of FOMO right now, so I'm gonna put my little 3 micros on. This is a dummy account, by the way. A little 3 micros. Yeah, that would have been done for today, for sure. For sure. All right. That's wow. Wowee. Okay. Was anybody able to catch those longs down there? Anybody able to catch those longs? Kind of sucks it happened so early. Oh, guys. Yep. Well, it is what it is. It is what it is. It is what it is. Nothing to do now but sit back and watch it fly. What a move, guys. What a move. One of the rare times where locking my account in the morning got to us today. It's definitely looking at that move there. Okay, all right, move that out the way. Money glitch, tell me you caught these longs here, man. Tell me somebody caught these longs. Tell me somebody caught these longs here. Tell me somebody caught those longs. Absolutely beautiful. All gas, no brakes. Exactly what you want to see. And it's still going. All gas, no brakes to the upside. Well, I honestly don't know what to do. Yeah, had to watch that one fly. Had to watch that one fly. That was a little painful, not gonna lie. That one was a little bit painful. Look at those beautiful candles right there. We can try and see if there's another bust to the upside, but wow. Narcotic Banks. Nice name. Yes, it was. That was a really clean SBS right there. That was a really clean, picture perfect SBS. Woo! Why have my rules forsaken me? Let me see if gold can Let's see if we can catch a little something on gold. I don't like how the SMAs are looking on gold right now. But in order for me to get into a trade, I would like to see some of this get swept before entertaining gold. But yeah, that was a clean one right there. Clean one, very clean one. Still going. Still going. Still going. Still going. That's 3 micros. Oh my goodness, 3 micros. At this level, whoa wee. That's a lot. That is a lot. I gotta stop doing that. It's a bad habit. I like to see how much I would have made for the day. That's a bad habit, guys. That's a bad habit. Let me stop doing that. Still going. Let's see if gold can retrace at a certain level so we can hop in. Seems like everything wants to make highs today. But staying patient. Staying patient. What else can you do? Anybody catch these longs here? Yeah, by the time my account unlocked, we was already at TP1, damn near the full thing, so. Can't beat myself up for it. Now, what I'm expecting next is I'm expecting price to really slow down, honestly. Expecting price to just slow it on down, act like it doesn't really want to go anywhere. Just waiting for something to retrace for me, but doesn't look like we're gonna get it. And I refuse to FOMO. I refuse to FOMO. I refuse. Yeah, everything kind of aligned right there. Tight SMA on the 15 too. I love it when the SMA is tight on the 15. Just retraced back into an area of interest. That's all it did. And pushed way up there to new highs. Where's our all-time high at? I don't think we're anywhere near it, but yeah, we're nowhere near it. But yeah, bulls are back. Bulls are back. All right, guys, nothing to do now but to just sit here and watch it. Unless we get like a violent retrace back down. This is looking really strong to the upside, guys. Really strong. You could try, you don't think maybe you could try an expanded reversal, but I wouldn't do it. I wouldn't do it. Maybe the next hourly can give us a little bit of opportunity. Start to retrace down into this hourly bullish engulfing here and push us right back up. It's a harder trade for sure. But we will see. We'll see what the day brings us. We'll see what the day brings us. All right, guys. I am on the hands. I'm on the hands. I'm on the hands. We are on the hands. I'm not about to fight these bulls down. Looking a little expandy, but yep, new highs. We're still pushing. We're still pushing, guys. We're still pushing. Bulls are in control of this market. What's weird to me is that gold is no longer having an inverse relationship with NQ. It wasn't usually like that. Usually whenever NQ is going up, gold will go down. It's a little strange right there. Yeah. Well, anyway. I'd like to see the next hourly candle retrace into the zone right here. Or in the last bullish hourly engulfing candle. Man, that huge dump on last Friday, we gave it all back. Gave it all back. Yeah, my two assets are pumping without me. All good. This is not an expanded reversal play. Just asking for your money to get taken away from you at this point. That's nowhere near expanded enough. 1, 2, 3. Maybe we could see something right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maybe. That's a big maybe. Took a lot of highs here. New hourly candle forming here. Yeah, gold has got to sweep all of this for me to get involved or even think about it. I'd rather not take a buy like right here. It could be one of those zombie days as well where everybody's just buying it. There's no news, no big players are in the market right now. So every pullback would just get bought really easily. There's also that. mm. Still pushing up here, guys. Looking like gold wants to eventually try and push down a little bit. It's not exactly extended though. This could get bought right back up. I would need all this to get, all this does need to get swept though. I'd rather not fight that. But gold is kind of following. God damn it. Hold up, guys. Ah, boy. Hold up. What? I forgot how to do this. Project X, man. Can I refresh? It's going to refresh in the same. Damn it, I forgot how to get my execution buttons back. When can I load the layout again? Nope, it'll just keep. Shit. I forgot how to do this. Hold up, guys. Give me a second. Add components. There we go. Order counts. Yeah, that's it. All right, cool. We're back. We're back. Make sure this is blue. Top right plus button. Appreciate that. Hey, Brando, what's up? Brando, what's good, man? Good to see you. All right. You could see a short from right here. It's too risky for me though. 1, 2, 3. This could be a bullish SBS just for it to push higher. So I'd rather not mess with that. Too hard of a trade for me. NQ looks like it wants to retrace. It's looking a little expanded here on the 1 minute. Oh man, that's like the riskiest short ever. Good morning, Brando. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good to see you, man. Thank you. Also looking good for longs. Yeah, yeah. This could be your model one right here. Your 1, 2, 3. I would like to see this get swept, but yeah, I would like to see this. I would like to see this get swept, honestly. But I mean, it'll be too speculative for me to just. A part of me wants to just short and get a little pop, get a little bounce. But we've been through that before. Gold is looking like she wants to take these lows here. Yeah, there we go. There we go. There we go. Now the problem with gold is when does she want to buy back up? That's that's always the problem with gold. And the problem with this NQ short is it's too speculative, but I can see like a little. I can see this all of this getting swept. This 1, 2 needs to get swept. This needs to get all this shit needs to get swept, honestly. So waiting and watching, guys. Waiting and watching. One, two, three, 4, 5. This could be a buy on gold, honestly. This could be a little buy on gold. And she's moving right now. She is moving right now. She's already at that first TP. It doesn't look terrible. Take a little peek at NQ one more time. See if I get a better price for gold. Might pull the trigger here. Didn't pull the trigger. Didn't pull the trigger. Oh boy. Okay. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Not too sure why I didn't pull the trigger there. Yeah, not the best operation by me right there. Should definitely be in these gold longs. I don't know what I was waiting for right there, honestly. Yeah, not sure what I was waiting for there. NQ looks like it wants to rotate down a little bit, which is what I've been looking for a minute. Kind of like the short right here. Let me try it. All right, guys, I'm in short NQ right here. This expanded reversal play. Want to see some of these levels get swept. Starting looks ugly. I'm gonna bail out of this one. Sell one more and tighten up stops. I don't want to see it come back. It should just run right here. if it's true. If it's not true, well, I'm just wrong. Can we retrace a little bit more into this candle? I think I'm off sides right there, guys. I'm gonna take that off. I think it's too early. Once again, I think I'm shorting too early, so I'm gonna take that off at break even. I wanted to see it collapse in on itself, and it's not doing that. So now that we've taken these highs, I'm trying to make sure that I'm not in consolidation. As you know, whenever we take major highs and major lows, the market has a tendency to consolidate, do a bunch of wonky, wishy-washy stuff, and I'm just trying my best not to be involved in that, honestly. So, I'll be a little bit more patient here, a little bit more selective with my entry. It's starting to slide down now. It's starting to slide down now. Everything's starting to retrace, just like I wanted it to. Trying to time this. This 1 minute looks very expanded here. Don't have too much proof of anything right now. See if we can find something on the lower time frame. Kind of like that on the lower time frame. Oh, wait, does it want more? Is this area enough? Or am I logging at an area that's too high? All right. Order filled. I'm gonna try that right there. Nothing too serious here, $50. So you want to start making new highs. See if we want to start making new highs right here. Doesn't look too bad. Very nice. Very nice. Want to see a little bit of follow through here. That'll be beautiful. Add one. Nice closure there. Nice closure there. We get the TP1. What's that? 110. Let's see if we get a blow off top here, guys. Let's see if we get a blow off top here. Sorry, my numbers are all messed up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-ish. As long as we can, we're holding above here. We could see some violent sell pressure in a second, but yeah, like that. I still wanted to see this through. 5 minutes about to close kind of favorably. Maybe I didn't put enough on the trade to satisfy my hunger. But hoping for something good here, honestly. Hoping for something good here. Almost enough to break even here, guys. The next 5 minute may have to retrace a little bit. That's a beautiful closure. On the 5 minute, this probably retrace just a little bit. Hopefully it doesn't do it too much. Yeah, looking for the chicken dinner here, guys. So may gotta have a little bit of nuts to hold here. 5 minute. Yeah, we should be good. And if not, oh well. Might add one if she lets me. Add one right there. I want to see a push up now. That'd be great. Break even right there. I don't like that little snafu there. If it's gonna blow off top, it's gotta do it like now. Usually when it does that, a lot of times it'll try and follow through again. Let's see if it does it, or if it breaks me yet, or if it comes back to break even. I hope it doesn't. Trying to have a little bit of discipline here to hold for a new high. But I don't like every time I get into a trade, sometimes that does happen. Push back up, please. Give me a new high in Q. Stop playing. Give it a little bit of room here. Fuck. Okay. All right. Well, that's why we always take partials, guys. That's why we always take partials. Stops at. This guy's hit a BE there. That is really unfortunate. It's really unfortunate. I'm not looking at gold. Oh boy. Of course it wants to. This is where it starts, right? This is where it starts. I don't want to chase this, but man, I don't know why I didn't take partials there. Usually when you get like that little pop up, that little flash up, and it comes right back down, a lot of times that happens. Not sure what happened right there, but hey. That really does suck. Oh well, plenty of opportunity in the market. Plenty of opportunity in the market. Gold is sweeping these levels that I've been wanting to get swept for a minute. May take a look at gold, may not. NQ is kind of proving that she doesn't want to make a new high right now, so there is that. Long bro stops at BE letter wrong. I know, right? Yeah, it's funny. Yeah, that's exactly what we did. Hey, it just came back to my entry. That's fine. Usually I would take it, but I didn't take it today. Kind of looking at a long for gold, honestly. May just hop in if she proves. You stop was at number 2. Hold up, guys. Music stop. Can't have that. Might try gold. Him to try gold. See if gold wants to start making new highs here. I'm only in one contract. Just need a little bit of pressure here to the upside for gold. Reasoning for this trade is this right here. 4, 5. We're at this area of interest. Right here. Let's see if buyers want to buy this back. Little 20 SMA test right here. Doesn't look terrible. I'm gonna tighten up stops right there. Hoping for price to keep pushing up here. But I think this could be pretty good. Just need price to close above here on my SMA. She's rejecting it. Just need a little bit of strength here to kind of confirm this one. Well, that sucks. Yeah, she's refusing to kind of close above here. I may have messed up. Refusing to close above this this 20 SMA on the 30-second. It's kind of bad news bears now. Oh, I hate it when gold does this. Hey, Cupcake, how's it going? I noticed when you moved B, the stop was at number 2. I noticed when you moved to BE, your stop was at number 2. I'm trying to figure out what that means here. the re-entry, and now I'm in a gold trade. It's okay. We'll play with what we got here. Could be better, Cup God. Could be better. I'm thinking about wrapping it up kind of early here. I think my mind is in a blender right now. All right, I got a body closure above here. Let's see if it wants to follow through or not. And my music keeps stopping as well. Oh no, that's my volume. What's up with that rejection? Might gotta face facts and I'm offsides here, guys. Body closure's looking nice though. Don't want to break even too early here. We'll do that though. Could be like the same trade as yesterday. Get my magnet tool out. How many I got on? 4. Give me a little bit more gold, please. If we can make one more high, I'm gonna break even right here. Would love a new high though. Oh, come on. Again? Keep calm, Andre. Keep calm. You're letting your emotions dictate your trading again. Relax. It's okay. Sorry if you can hear the construction outside. Yeah, NQ is doing the thing. NQ is doing the thing that I wanted her to do at first. That's fine. Now I'm in gold. Gold seems a little bit moody right now. On NQ last trade, you went to BE, but it was a 2 to be swept. Was there? I may have missed that. I'm going to review it right after this. I'll review it right after this. There we go. I'm going to break even right there against my better judgment. Can we get some follow through here? Or am I going to eat another break even? Get the fuck out of here. Seriously. Seriously. Guys, am I? Am I doing something wrong here? Like, this is my second break even. What the hell? I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty emotional. I'm about to just wrap it up. This is fucking bullshit, man. It really is. I'm not even mad. I'm not even trying to hide it. I don't know what's going on with me today. How did I eat 3 break evens and I didn't take profit on anything today? Y'all got me on this one.
Order filled.
All right, maybe this is 5. Yeah, yeah, I feel you. This is just, I don't know. I'm kind of annoyed with myself right now. And here I am. I'm basically begging gold to. Yeah, I don't know. Oh, whoops. My bad.
Order filled.
Yeah, guys. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I didn't follow my plan today, guys. I don't know what made me not take profits today. I had 2 beautiful trades I let come back to break even. Not too sure why. Not too sure why. Okay, well, this is still saying it's bullish to me. Let's see if we can get any juice to the downside here. Then I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Gotta stop defeating myself though. But that's really annoying. It's really annoying right there.
Order filled.
Start building a position right there. Let's see if it'll smack us down again. Wow. I don't know. Maybe I'm losing it. This is about to close bullish engulfing. I mean bearish engulfing, excuse me.
Order filled. Order filled.
Oh, that's a huge bearish engulfing. Wow. How did I let it happen, guys? Still got so much goddamn work to do, man. I'm pissed. It's not the best morning for me, guys. Martin, how's it going, man? I'm not having the best day. I'm not having the best day. I'm gonna be very honest with you. I don't know how I let those winning trades go like that. I really don't. Now I'm down for today. That's oof. I mean, it happens to everybody, but man, that's annoying me. It's really annoying me. It's annoying when I do the right thing, but I got greedy, and I'm never greedy in situations like that. Yeah. I don't know why my music stopped. Here we go. Yeah, I am really confused.
Order filled.
Still going to believe in this right here.
Order filled.
Headphones are messing up, guys. Hold up. Get a little static on my end. 1 second, guys. Oh, this is pointing down.
Every night it's there for you. It's constant. Unlike these human beings
Order filled.
who lie about what it seems to be. You think the earth is where you
Oh, this is probably copyrighted. I'm sorry. Ah. I'm getting some really bad static on my end, and it's really annoying me. Sorry, guys. Hold up. What in the world? Oh man, I can barely listen to that. I can barely listen to that. Oh, oof. Sounds a little bit better. Oh, nope, there it goes again. Oh, maybe that's why. Alright guys, I need a closure buff here on the 20 or I may have to take this one off. Need a closure here on the 1 minute. It's not exactly what I was looking for. With like a body closure above here. Doesn't look like I'm about to get it here. If we can do that, we can start to speed up just a little bit. All right, my break even is there. Hoping that price doesn't do what it's been doing all day and hitting me out. It could. It very well could. It'll probably do it violently. But gotta hold out for a little bit more if this is, if this is the right move or not. We could see bears come in right here. Let's see. Wait, what? I'm not liking how that's looking. I'll be very honest. Not liking how that's looking. No top hook on the 5 though. Just don't retrace too much.
Order filled.
Yeah, that's fine. Waiting for this 5 minute to flip right back up. That is a-okay with me, gold. Martin, do I have a max limit per day? I have a max loss limit, but maybe I should think about a max trade limit. You're right, because I am doing quite a lot. All right, kind of survived that hit right there. Let's see if we can keep going here. We'll love it if we do. We'll be awesome if we do. I just realized that this isn't in the right spot either. So I'm not going to wait for that. TP1 would tendally be like right. I don't like none of that. Alrighty, Goldilocks. Show me what you can do. About to secure break even in a second with the day that I've been having. Nice. Nope. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna secure break even right there, guys. I'm gonna let the rest of that rock. As you can see, I'm having somewhat of an emotional day, so I'm going to just gonna whatchamacallit. If that wants to run, I'll let it run. But yeah. Oh man, yeah, lost a little bit of discipline today, guys. I lost a little bit of discipline. Cost me a what seems like could be a winning day, but it is what it is. It is what it is. I gotta shake shit like that off. I gotta shake that off. I was trying to pass challenge fast and blow like 3 combine in a day. I feel you. I've been there. Hell, I'm there today. As you can see, I'm a little bit on an emotional spiral right now. So if this comes back to break even, I might just be done today. Might just be done for today, guys. I think what really did it was that first NQ trade where I didn't take any profits right here and I let it come all the way back to BE, something I normally wouldn't do. But I guess sometimes you gotta maximize those wins a little bit, you know? You gotta maximize those wins. Yeah, the market got to me today, guys. The market got to me. I think that's going to hit me at break even. Yeah, 15-minute engulfing candle right there. I don't trust it. I don't trust it. Yeah, this could be a short SBS here.
Order filled.
put some on just to see. What's NQ doing? Nothing. Well, NQ is kind of sweeping those levels. Maybe it's almost time for that to get bought back up. Yep.
Order filled.
All right, looking like we're stuck here. Here lies Squidward's hopes and dreams. What a baby. Yeah. Go, I'm about to close you. But the system says stay.
Order filled.
And once it hits me right there, it'll probably push right back up. What a day, guys. What a day.
Order filled.
Hopping back in. Even though this says it's going to push right back down.
Order filled.
For the sake of everything that's holy, can we just rush there without retracing right here, please? Did that 5 minute make its wick? It did. Can we stay above here, or is gold going to be stupid? What do you say, gold? What do you say, gold? Can you pop?
Order filled.
Back in the same position. Oh, but okay, all right. Go or not go? Go or not? This is it for me. How many trades am I at today? Gotta be up there. 22. Ugh. Well, cautionary tale of what not to do today. Hey, Smish, Smish, Smish. Yeah, long time no see. Long time no see. Long time no see. Yeah, you came back on an emotional day. Is more of an emotional trade for me. I mean, emotional trading day for me today. Let me see. Yeah, not having the best of days today. Not having the best of the days.
Order filled.
I had one more right there. Really wanted to do two, but I kind of believe in this all of a sudden. Emotional day, guys. Emotional day. Emotional damage. Emotional damage. Emotional damage. I'm kind of fiddling in the middle right now. If we can get up to here, that'll be like fantastic. You know? Can we keep going? Nope, somebody's in the way. Somebody's in the way. Oh, the new hourly. That's what's going on. Okay. You have a decision to make here, so we're just gonna break even. I think we can keep going. But look at, I did it again today. Something's got to change here, guys. Something's got to change here. Something's got to change here. I should be up some decent profit for the day, but I'm not. Can we jettison up there? Doesn't look like it. But closing above there on the 5 kind of gives me a little bit of confidence to hold. NQ longs, yeah, whatever gets my eyes off of gold. Let's see. It's got that 5 minute is kind of extended. I would say wait maybe at this 647 level. That's like my first little thought there. But yeah, I would be on hands right here. I would. But then again, you see the day that I'm having, you know, you might want to just make your own decision there. So then we may have a sweep incoming to shake out weak buyers, which would be me in this case. Which would be me in this case. Fingers kind of on the close button here. Also, gotta remember that it's January, you know. Asking for a lot for January. But another minute, if this 5 minute can close like above here, but that's a lot of wick. Oh, that's a lot of wick. Heavy rejection here. I can't get it together. Yeah, guys, one of those days. I don't know. One of those days, one of those days, one of those days. It's one of those days where it's like, how did you lose? It's one of those days where how do you lose? Because I have a lot of work to do still. I have a lot of work to do still. I'd rather not fiddle in the middle right there. Everything is rotating back down. I'd rather not get in the way of I'd rather not get in the way of these sellers right here. Okay, so we're kind of approaching that 650, 640-ish level. I just don't want to get in the way of I don't want to get in its way. I don't want to get in NQ's way. Nice little candle break there. I'm gonna stop looking at gold. Whatever gold is doing, I'm just say that I don't care. 1, 2, 3, 4. But I do kind of care. I'm gonna let gold figure herself out. Sliding down here on NQ. Not gonna lie, it's kind of a hard long. Need some type of proof that, you know, can't just blindly buy into some of these spots, you know. Hourly is still kind of low-key bearish. One minute looks like it's about to cross down. I want to try it, but it's low enough in the range. It's cheap enough now. But the way that this is sloping down so violently, we're closing below the 200. 30 seconds is officially not on our side. It's a hard trade. It's a hard trade. If we could start breaking above, that'd be great. But, you know. I'm gonna treat this as 4. Just need some type of confirmation that we want to go higher.
Order filled.
Do 1 micro. See if we want to start pushing up from here.
Order filled.
It's a little bit more risk than I wanted. And maybe we can start to push back up. It's going to take a minute though, because technically we're playing this off of the 5 minute. And I sort of don't like my discipline for today. So now if we start closing above here on the 1 minute, this 20, we start closing above the 20 SMA on the 1 minute. That's the only thing that'll make me feel better. But other than that, we are still very much in a risky position here. Sellers could smack this right back down. If we can start closing above here, maybe an add, but oof, it's risky. See, I was kind of running out of strength here at this 20 SMA test, and it's kind of a pivotal moment here too. What I need is like something like this. I need to start closing above here for that. So not quite yet. Didn't really get that body closure that I wanted. No proof yet that this is what we want to do. I close strongly above here. Be great. Strong closure would be nice to kind of prove it. Losing steam here. I'm not gonna lie, guys, this doesn't look too good. If we were gonna go, I kind of wanted to see it, you know, keep going. Yeah, because if this decides to roll back over, it's gonna roll back down really hard. So there is that. Little mini SBS Model 1 here. Let's see if it starts to pick up. I don't know. I don't know, guys. Will my little 2 micros survive? No. Nope, they're hammering it down. Not the best. right there. Doesn't look like she wants to go now all of a sudden. Yep. All right. That 1 minute is officially not on my side, so I have nothing on my side now. What a day. I can't get profit to save my life. I can't find profit to save my life. Well, it looks like that we are officially bearish here. It's a terrible place to look for shorts, though. Absolutely terrible place to look for shorts. Alright, well, I guess it's your SBS Model 1 here as soon as price is telling me that we want to go lower. Like, yeah. Wow.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
I'm gonna just short into that. I'm gonna just stop fighting it. I'm gonna just short it.
Order filled. Order filled.
My ability to hit break even after break even needs to be studied. I don't know what's wrong with me today. This is not good. This is not good. This is not good.